Unlock your potential. A beginner's guide to intermittent fasting in the USA. Ready to transform your health, boost energy, and manage your weight effectively? Forget restrictive diets. Let's explore intermittent fasting, IF, a simple, sustainable lifestyle change tailored for busy adults and health enthusiasts right here in the USA. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's a strategic eating pattern. It focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. This approach involves cycling between eating and fasting periods, allowing your body to reset, burn fat, and regulate hormones naturally. During fasting, your insulin levels drop, prompting your body to tap into stored fat for energy. This process can improve blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy weight management. Plus, you don't have to sacrifice your favorite foods. Just time them wisely. Here are some common and practical fasting methods. Fast for 16 hours. Eat within an 8-hour window. Perfect for busy professionals. Eat normally for 5 days. Reduce calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. OMAD 1 meal a day, an extreme approach, but some find it simple. Tailor your fasting window to fit your lifestyle. For example, eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., skip breakfast, enjoy lunch and dinner, or go 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. if you prefer an earlier eating schedule. The key is consistency and what works best for you. During your fasting window, stick to 0-calorie beverages. Water, black coffee, green or herbal tea, electrolytes, 0-calorie. Avoid anything with calories, as even a small amount can break your fast. Start slowly and listen to your body. Begin with a 12-12 fast, 12 hours fasting, 12 hours eating. Gradually increase your fasting time by 1 hour every few days. Stay hydrated and keep busy, hunger often subsides. Pair intermittent fasting with nutritious choices. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, veggies, healthy fats. Think eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, chicken, avocados, nuts. Minimize processed carbs, sugar, and fried foods to optimize progress. Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Avoid it if you're pregnant, nursing, under 18, or have medical conditions like diabetes, unless approved by a healthcare professional. Always prioritize your health and well-being. Intermittent fasting is a simple, sustainable, and science-backed approach to wellness. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that progress, not perfection, is the goal. You've got this. Ready to take control of your health? Like this video, subscribe to PrimeFit Flow for more US-based health tips, home workouts, and beginner guides. Share your fasting questions in the comments. We're here to support you every step of the way.